Welcome to 8644 Hollyoaks Creek Lane. This is in a new development called Briarmont, and it's off of Dunvale and Westheimer. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage. On the first floor, we have a really unique bedroom here. It has its own full kitchen. So it's got dishwasher, gas range, microwave. A really large living space that's connected here. And in the back, this patio is screened. So it's a screened porch patio. Oops. We've got a little bit of grass right on the outside. So it's a nice little retreat all on its own on its first floor. And here's the bedroom. And these windows look out to that screened porch. And a shower tub combo. And these are white cabinets. Large size closet. Right outside the room, we've got an additional jacket closet and the 2-car garage. And the house features a full house water filter, so that means it's soft water all the way throughout the house. Your little Harry Potter closet right underneath the stairs. And let's go up. So the second floor is all of the living. We've got a large area here with the balcony doors. This is where dining would be. And then you have your kitchen open to another living space area over here. The kitchen has a really large island, enough for stools here at the bottom. All white cabinets, gas range, dishwasher, huge stainless steel sink and refrigerator. There's a large pantry. And then back over here in this area, there's the outdoor balcony that's also screened. So all of these balconies on the back side here are screened. So in the evenings, if you're hanging out and lounging, you won't have to deal with any mosquitoes. All right. On the same floor, there is the half bath. And then going upstairs are the living quarters. To your right is the laundry room or utility closet. Washer and dryer comes with the unit. Got 2 bedrooms side by side. That's plenty of natural light, as you can see. A hallway bathroom. Hallway linen closet. And then here's the primary retreat. And again, this sky deck is also screened right here. So you could open this door and you've got your outside sky deck balcony. The primary bathroom, dual sinks, a large walk-in shower with the rain head